Okay, so dito naman tayo ngayon sa operations on functions. So the operations on functions that we have are the fundamental operations that we have, no? So addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Okay, so let us try here example number 1. So in here, addition of functions. So we have subukan na yung addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction of functions tayo. So in here, we have f of x is given as so f of x is equals to 5x minus 1, and then we have g of x is equals to x squared plus 4x plus 5. So una nating hanapin is f plus x ay f plus g of x. So we have okay, so we have f plus g of x. Okay, so ang gagamitin natin, so pagkainan na natin yan, we have f of x plus g of x. Okay, so ang f of x natin, importante kung ano yung nauuna dito, yun din yung una nating ilalagay. Then the second part will be yung pangalawa. Okay, so f of x muna tayo. We have 5x minus 1 plus, okay, so sinubstitute lang natin yung f of x, which is 5x minus 1, which is this one, then operation plus, then yung g of x naman natin, we have x squared plus 4x plus 5. Okay, so ang gagawin natin is distribute muna natin yung addition dito. So we have 5x, kopyahin lang natin, minus 1. Positive plus positive is positive x squared. Positive plus positive, positive 4x. Positive plus positive is positive 5. Okay? Then after that, combine the like terms. So, una nating ilalagay sa unahan is parate yung may squared or cube root or fourth root ay to the fourth power, no? Yun yung mga unahin natin. So, in here, meron tayong x squared. Unahin natin siya. So, natanggal na natin to. Then, after that, 4x and then 5x. So, since positive din si 5x, tas positive si 4x, pag-a-add lang natin sila. We will now have 9x plus 9x. Then, ito na lang, plus 5 minus 5. Unlike sign, subtraction, 5 minus 1 is equals to 4. Copy the sign of the larger number, which is positive. So, we have now f of x plus g of x is equals to x squared plus 9x plus 4. So, this will be our answer. Okay? So, let us have the subtraction. Lagay ko na lang dito sa taas. We have x squared plus 9x plus 4. Burahin ko na to, na? Para meron pa tayong mapagsulatan. Okay. Next naman na hinahanap natin, f minus g of x. If we write this one, we have f of x minus g of x. Okay? Substitute muna natin f of x. We have 5x minus 1, open close parenthesis, then operation natin, minus yung g of x natin, x squared plus 4x plus 5. Okay? Then, distribute natin yung negative. So, we have 5x minus 1. Negative times positive is negative x squared. Negative times positive is equals to negative 4x. Negative times positive 5 is negative 5. Okay? Then, after that, dito tayo. Combine lang natin yung like terms. So, since mauna to, we have negative x squared, negative x squared, then combine like terms, we have positive 5x, negative 4x, unlike sign, subtraction, 5 minus 4 is equals to 1, or kahit wag na natin sulat yung 1, then copy the sign of the larger number which is 5. So, plus x. Then, after that, negative 1, negative 5, like sign sila, i-add natin sila, 5 plus 1 is equals to 6, then copy their signs. So, ang magiging sagot natin ngayon is negative x squared plus x minus 6. So, this will be your final answer for the addition of function. And for the subtraction of functions, this will be your answer. Okay? So, let us have another example. Subtraction, addition and subtraction pa rin siya, no? So, we have f plus g of x. So, gagawin natin f of x plus g of x. Okay? Substitute lang natin, f of x natin is 5x squared minus 4x plus 15 plus g of x natin is 3x squared minus 4x plus 25, close parenthesis. Then, copy down lang natin, 5x squared minus 4x plus 15, positive plus 3x squared, positive negative minus 4x, positive plus 25. Combine like terms. So, we have 3x squared, 5x squared. Same sign. So, add natin. We have 8x squared. Next, negative 4x. Negative 4x. Same sign. Add natin. 8x. Then, copy their sign which is negative. Then, dito na lang tayo sa integers. 25 plus positive 25 plus 15, this is equal to 40. Then, positive. Okay? So, ang magiging sagot natin ngayon dito, we have 8x squared minus 8x plus 40. Okay? So, what if kapag sinabi niya, find if the value of x is equals to 1. Okay? So, kapag meron siyang additional na ganyan, evaluate if the value of x is equals to 1. Once na nakuha mo na yung addition of function mo, isa-substitute mo lang siya. Kunwari dito, pinapahanap niya, value ng x natin is equals to 1, substitute mo lang siya dito once na pagsama mo na. Okay? So, lahat ng values ng x gawin mong 1. We have 8, 1 squared minus 8, 1 plus 40. Then, simplify mo lang. 1 times 1 is equals to 1 times 8 is equals to 8. 8 times 1 is equals to negative 8 plus 40. Then, simplify mo na lang siya nun. Okay? So, cancel mo na to. Ang magiging answer mo nun, if x is equals to 1, the answer will be 40. So, ganun lang siya, no? So, burahin ko na to. Nakuha na natin sagot, 8x squared minus 8x plus 40. Subukan naman natin ngayon yung f of x minus g of x. Subtraction. Okay. Okay, subtraction naman tayo ngayon. F minus g of x. This is equivalent to f of x minus the g of x. Okay? Sulat ko na lang sa taas. So this is f minus g of x. Okay. So f now of x minus g of x. Substitute natin f of x, which is 5x squared minus 4x plus 15. Open, close parenthesis, minus, open, gx natin, which is this one, 3x squared minus 4x plus 25. Okay? So, copy down lang natin 5x squared minus 4x plus 15. Distribute natin, negative 3x squared, negative, positive 4x, negative, positive, negative 25. Combine like terms. So, 5x squared, negative 3x squared, unlike sign. So, 5 minus 3 is equals to 2. Then, copy the sign of the larger number, which is positive 5x squared. Combine like terms. Plus 4x minus 4x. Unlike sign, cancelled na lang natin sila. Wala na yung 4x. Then, after that, yung integers natin, negative 25 plus positive 15. Unlike sign, operation natin subtraction, 25 minus 15 is equals to 10. Copy the sign of the larger number, which is 25, negative. So, this will be f minus g of x is equals to 2x squared minus 10. Okay? So, this will be your answer now. Okay. So, that is for the addition and subtraction of function. So, let us have now the multiplication of function. In here, it says, evaluate the product if x is equals to 2. So, hinahanap niya yung x. Hinahanap niya yung product if daw yung x natin is equals to 2. So, ang gagawin muna natin, i-multiply muna natin yung mga function natin. So, we have function f of x is equals to 5x plus 8. Then, we have the function g of x is equals to 4x plus 7. So, ang gagawin natin, find f times g of x. Okay? So, f of x times the g of x. Substitute lang natin. We have f of x as 5x plus 5 ay plus 8. Then, wag na tayo maglagay ng tilde. Open and close parenthesis na lang. Then, we have 4x plus 7. Okay? So, ang gagawin natin, i-expand lang natin siya ngayon. We have the rainbow method. Okay? 5 times 4 is equals to 20x squared. This 5x times 7, we have plus 35x. Then we have here 8 times 4. 8 plus 8, 16. 60 plus 16, 32x. Then 8 times 7, we have 64. Okay? Tama ba? So we have 80 minus 24. 80 minus 24. Tama. So we have 80 minus 1, 2, 3, 24. This is 7. This is 1. This is 6. This is 5. So 56 plus 56. Okay? Okay, 960. Tama ba? Just to be sure. 8 times 7. Tama. 56. So, we have 56. Okay. Then, after that, combine like terms. So, since yung 20x squared natin is walang kapareho, 20x squared, 35 plus 32x, 32 plus. Okay? So, ang gagawin natin, pag-add lang natin. So, we have 767x plus, then plus 56. So, this will be our answer for f of x times g of x. So, f of x times the g of x. So, ang sabi niya, evaluate the product if x is equals to 2. So, yung x daw natin is equals to 2. So, lahat ng values ng x, substitute natin ng 2. So, we have 20. This is 2 squared plus 67. This is 2 plus 56. Okay? So, 2 times 2 is equals to 4 times 20 plus 67 times 2. We have 14, carry 1, 12, 13, 134. Tama. Then, plus 56. Then, tuloy lang natin here. 20 times 4 is equals to 80 plus 134 plus 56. So, 134, 80, and 56. We have 10, carry 1, 9, 10, 11, 12, 17, carry 1. We have 270. Okay? So, ang final answer natin is 200, 170. If x is equals to 2, so this is equivalent to f x times g x. This should be 2. This should be 2. And we have 200. Ilan ulit? Let's see. 10, 5, 8, 16. 260. So, this will be your final answer. Okay. So, let us have now the division of function. So, sa division of function, okay, so the same lang din, no? So, we have fx equals to x cubed plus x, then gx is equals to 1 over x. Sabi niya, find f over g of x. So, f over g of x is equals to f of x over g of x. Substitute lang natin f of x natin. We have x cubed plus x. Then the g of x natin is divided by 1 over x. Okay? So, since meron tayong x cubed plus x, this is always equivalent to over 1. Okay? So, para maging from division, magiging tayong multiplication, kunin natin yung reciprocal ng second term natin. Kasi namin reciprocal, pagbaliktarin mo. So, we have x cubed plus x over 1. Then, proceed to multiplication. Get the reciprocal x over 1. Okay? Then, ang gagawin natin, ang gagawin natin is, this is over 1. X x cubed plus x. Expand lang natin siya ngayon. We have x raised to 4 plus x squared over 1. Or simply, x raised to 4 plus x squared. This will be our answer now. Sabi niya, evaluate if x is equals to 2. Substitute lang natin si 2. We have 2 raised to 4 plus 2 raised to 2. 2 times 2 is equals to 4 times 2, 8 times 2, 16. 2 times 2 is equals to 4 plus 4. 16 plus 4 is equals to 20. So, this should be your answer. Okay? So, that is for the division of function. So, you can try this one. So, we have given f of x is equals to 10 minus x and g of x is equals to x squared plus 4x minus 2. Simplify and then get the operation. So, add mo muna, subtract mo muna, then multiply. Then, after that, substitute mo yung value ng 2, 3, and 5. Para malaman mo kung naintindihan mo ba yung lesson, you can always replay the discussion. And then, after that, f of x is equals to x minus 2, g of x is equals to x squared minus x. Find addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, then evaluate with the given values of x. 1, 2, 3, and 2. No? So, each operation, magkakaiba yung values ng x natin. So, try them if you see kung naiintindihan mo ba yung lesson natin. So, that would be all for the operations on functions. Thank you.